Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Wow, for LINK, the primary scenario is currently working out, the bearish one. It was even too weak. Yeah, it was even too weak to reach the yellow resistance area here for a wave 2. So that sometimes happens if there is a lot of weakness in the charts. Obviously a wave 2 is only a corrective move to the upside. It's not impulsive, so it's going against the higher level trend, which means those movements that are against the higher level trend are usually obviously weaker than impulsive wave patterns. And yeah, as I suggested in the previous videos, this was only a 3-wave move up. So I assumed it would be an A wave because the ideal wave 2 retracement area hasn't been reached. But I have to assume now that this was already the wave 2. It was a weak one, but if you watched my videos about ADA, for example, about Ethereum, and you will see that this wave 2, we had a similar one on Bitcoin, but it was very, very shallow. Okay, so yeah, we are coming down strongly here. Sell-off of Bitcoin and Ethereum fueling the sell-off here on the LINK chart as well. And I am assuming now we are in the 3rd wave down. We broke below the wave 1 low at 647. So yeah, basically no change to the wave count possible, with the exception that wave 2 has probably already finished and we're heading down even faster than anticipated. Now, in the previous videos, I also showed you a bullish scenario because it could very well be. So yeah, no, it could very well be that we moved up in this move that started on the 22nd of November, all the way up here to $7.80 early December, that this was already a wave 1. Highlighted here in yellow, yeah, that this was a wave 1. In my primary count, this is a C wave, part of an ABC correction. But in the alternative count, this is a 5-wave move. Well, a C wave is a 5-wave move as well, but that just makes 2 scenarios possible. Either an ABC in a corrective move, which is going to lead to another sell-off, which is my primary expectation, or the bear market low has been or was in here at $5.50. This was a wave 1 to the upside, and we're currently coming down in a wave 2. This was to a degree at least likely when we hit my support area here and started to turn around. So this could have been already the beginning of the 3rd wave. However, with the latest drop, this was invalidated. Not a problem. The bullish count is the alternative only anyway, so I'm not really too confident in this. I gave you in the previous videos two levels that I want to see broken to make the bullish count more likely. None of them was even reached closely, so not a problem at all. However, is the bullish count still possible? Yes, but it's just become even less likely. It's still possible though, because we are still in the yellow support area. It's only if we drop below this yellow support area that the bullish count probably can be scrapped. Bear in mind, this yellow support area is based on Fibonacci support. So it's based on the 50% Fib level here around $6.30 and the 78.6% Fib level at roughly $6. Only a drop below $6 would make the bullish count much, much less likely. Well, would nearly invalidate it, yeah. It could still be that we are in the bullish count. I need to point out that possibility, but I would reduce probabilities now to around 30%. We had 35% in the previous video, but with that latest drop, it's become even less likely. How would that work? I mean, this is clearly a 5-wave move down. And in the bullish count, I would consider this an A wave. This here a very weak B wave, and we would then move down in C. And I don't even know if the yellow support area will be enough for that, because the C wave would be very, 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 very short. Actually way too short, so the C wave has nearly no space anymore. I mean, the very first target for a C wave is the 61.8% extension. That was reached just now, so we could theoretically turn around and move up now. Do I believe it? Not really. The next target would be the 1-to-1 ratio that would take us down to 571 below the yellow support area, and just by doing that, it makes the bullish scenario far less likely. It's still possible though, and I won't take it off the chart until we have real invalidation here, but please understand this is getting less likely. But in the primary count, we are obviously in the last wave down here, but this last wave down could send us down into the $3 to $4 range. My assumption is that off this Well, off the high here, on the 8th of November, we came down in a wave 1. We moved up in a wave 2. We hit here the short trade area, the resistance area. We come now here in the wave 3. That yellow area can be broken. This was only the yellow support area for the alternative bullish count. It would be my primary expectation in this case to actually break it. So the wave 3 down is currently unfolding. Then there would be a 4 up and a 5 down. And in the wave 3, we've probably got the wave 1 done. The wave 2, we are now in the 3 of 3. There would be a 4 and a 5. This is how it would ideally play out in the bearish scenario. So yeah, no change really. No reason to panic. Everything going according to plan. The wave 2 was even weaker than anticipated. So it rather puts more emphasis on my primary expectation. Okay, and that's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.